Before we begin, this wedge is compatible only with the Eufy C30 and C31 video doorbells. It is not compatible with any other Eufy models. Please double-check your doorbell model before proceeding. The 45-degree wedge is ideal for mounting the doorbell in a corner. It provides a clear view during the day and superior nighttime images by effectively directing the camera's infrared lights. The wedge can be installed on either the left or right side of your door and comes with two mounting options: screws or adhesive pads. Inside the package, you'll find all the necessary accessories: long screws for attaching the wedge to the wall, short screws for attaching the doorbell mounting plate to the wedge, adhesive pads for a no-drill installation. If you're using screws, start by removing the doorbell from the wall. For the wired version, switch off the power supply, disconnect the wires, and remove the mounting plate. It's important to note that this wedge does not replace the original Eufy mounting plate. Both must be used together as the doorbell cannot be attached directly to the wedge. Secure the wedge to the wall using either the original Eufy screws or the long screws supplied with the wedge. The wedge holes match the doorbell holes, so no extra drilling is required if holes are already in place. Once the wedge is mounted, attach the Eufy mounting plate to the wedge using the short screws provided. Reconnect the wires and attach the doorbell back into position. This wedge is fully compatible with all Mars Outpost accessories for Eufy C30 and C31 doorbells, including the rain cover, non-adhesive backplate, or both. For adhesive installation, thoroughly clean the wall surface where the wedge will be attached, as well as the wedge surface where the sticky pads will be applied. We recommend using isopropyl alcohol or any vinegar-based window cleaner. The wedge features cable entry tabs that can be cut or drilled out if cable access is needed. Always wear adequate safety gear and follow safety procedures when cutting the tabs. Apply the adhesive pads to the back of the wedge and firmly press the wedge against the wall for at least 30 seconds. The adhesive glue will hold the weight of the doorbell immediately, but will fully cure after 24 hours. This method works best on clean, smooth, and dry surfaces, such as UPVC or aluminium doors, glass, plastic panels, metal panels, smooth cladding, dry, smooth wood. Avoid mounting on crumbling walls, uneven or textured surfaces, damp or wet surfaces, dusty or dirty surfaces, poor quality painted walls. Use the short screws to attach the doorbell mounting plate to the wedge, then reconnect the wires and attach the doorbell. Removing the wedge. To remove the wedge from the wall, we recommend using a flexible filling knife along with lubricant spray, like WD-40. Slowly work the knife around the sticky pad until the wedge separates from the wall.